right, good morning or good afternoon, whichever the case might be. Today we're going to be going over how to get into your Outlook account and your Teams account. For that, you also will need the Authenticator app. So let's go ahead and make sure that we have all three of those applications already installed. If you don't, what you want to do is go into the Play Store and you will just type in Microsoft. And it'll be this first option right here, Microsoft Authenticator. And it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click install, kind of like that one, but it has to be the Microsoft Authenticator. Once it's installed, you can go back and we can start with Outlook. Click on Outlook, go ahead and click add account. And mine looks like this because I've already previously been signed in. However, yours might look a little bit different. It'll probably look something like this. At which point you'll go ahead and type in your new email address for the Outlook account. Go ahead and click continue, and it will prompt you to enter your password. At which point, go ahead and enter your password. Click sign in. It's going to ask you if you want to use Samsung Pass. Go ahead and hit never and cancel. It's going to ask you if you want to add another account. Just go ahead and click maybe later. And here you'll see all your emails. However, once you're done with that, it'll probably prompt you to go and confirm your sign-in with the Authenticator app. So at which point we'll go ahead and jump into Authenticator. Click that. Go ahead and ignore this one here. And you're going to want to make sure you click add a work or school account. Then sign in. And again, because I've already previously been signed in, it shows mine here. But you're going to see something that looks like this. At which point, go ahead and type in your email and then your password. Once you hit enter, again, go ahead and click that and cancel. Now here it's asking me to approve the sign-in request, which it's not going to use. It's not going to look like that for you guys. This is what you want it to do, but yours is not going to do that. Yours is actually going to look something like this. It'll send you a code to your phone number. Once you get that code, you'll go ahead and input it here. So give it a second. And be aware that this is not the code. It's going to send you a code to your phone number, which is going to be unique to yours. So if you type this 270710, it won't work for you guys, okay? Once you get that code, it'll send you a text message with that code. Click verify. And once you see that it says account added, should be good to go. So just to confirm, we're going to go back out. Click on that again. And it's going to say lock enable, which is fine. And then you'll see your account here. And once you do that and click on it, you'll see something like this. This is a one-time passcode. If you were needing to sign into somewhere that's outside of your work phone, which you shouldn't ever have to do, but whatever case the option is there. Anyway, once we are into the Authenticator, I'll go back to the home and we're going to sign into Teams. And same thing with here. Go ahead and input your email. It's going to prompt you for a password, which you'll go ahead and put. Same thing with this. We're going to cancel. And There you go. Anyway, and you can see that these are the activity monitors where it shows you the most recent activity. If you go to chats, you can see private messages. And then here you'll see a tab that says Montgomery DME, and these are going to be the new channels like we have in Slack. This is field operations, office info. And you could see that I added a note here. I spelled the word wrong, so we can go ahead and fix that if we need to. Do that. And if you needed to reply to a message, you can go ahead and do that. There is also another thing that I wanted to mention, because in this application, you will have to turn on notifications. You're going to go ahead and click on your little icon in the top left-hand corner. Go ahead and go into notifications. And you want to enable all these notifications. Click on all activity. That way you see the check mark to the right, and that's going to notify you for any activity, replies, all that stuff. Okay. But anyhow, if you guys have any questions or difficulty signing in, go ahead and reach out to me or Romero, and we'll be more than happy to help you with anything.